One of the distinguishing features of IdeaMache is being able to see the metadata associated with elements of your curation. Metadata is relevant information about a web page that we extract. Whenever you add a new element to your Mache, the metadata from that element's source web page is automatically associated with that element. We visualize that metadata using a tool called Mice, the Metadata In Context Expander. It is shown each time you hover over an element in your Mache. Inside Mice are the individual fields we have extracted. On the left, you see the title of the field, and on the right is the data. If the text is too big to fit in a single row, hovering over it will show it in its entirety. If the text is bold, then it is a link to a web page, and clicking on it will open that link in a new tab. The topmost field is a link to the web page this data was extracted from. If you see a plus sign, then that field can be further expanded. Clicking on this one, for example, shows the entire list of suggested videos. Once that list is expanded, you can click the minus sign to collapse it again. While we are here though, let's further expand one of these videos. Extraction might take a few seconds, but when it is done, you will be able to view that page's metadata in the context of the first page. We currently support metadata extraction for over 200 websites. I've got some examples here of commonly used sites we support: Amazon, YouTube, and the ACM Digital Library. If we don't support extraction for a specific site, then only basic metadata about a page will be displayed, such as is shown here for this element from IGN. If you have a site that you use often in your curations that we don't support, you can let us know by submitting a rich metadata request in the Help Center. Or better yet, you can write code to support extraction from that site yourself. The metadata extraction is powered by a service called Big Semantics, which is open source and welcomes new contributors. You can find out more by doing a Google search for Big Semantics and clicking on the result from the Interface Ecology Lab. If you are viewing this on YouTube, there will be links in the description.